Prime Minister has very good visions, and everybody loves him and respects him, and that's good to see and hear.
It's an interesting idea to summarize the 4,000 years of the Indian maritime history, to bring it at one place, at the place where it practically all began.
To come again, but with this everything will be finished, so to see how it will be at the end of all this amazing project.